If you're looking to elevate your homemade pizzas, I definitely recommend investing in a pizza stone like this Emile Henry 14-inch large pizza stone. It is a complete game changer. I bought it because I wanted the perfect crispy crust, and this stone delivers it every single time. What you do is you preheat it in your oven, grill, or smoker while the equipment is heating up, and that's a good time to prep your toppings. Once it's preheated, my personal recipe method is to put the dough on, par bake the dough a few minutes, take it back out, put toppings on, and then bake, grill, or smoke pizza until the crust is nice and golden brown, which is made so much easier by the pizza stone. It really gives it that nice crispiness, but the dough is light and fluffy. Here I made a margarita pizza and also this smoked tri-tip pizza. I love these recipes. My family absolutely loves this pizza stone. If you love homemade pizza as much as I do, this stone is a must-have in your kitchen.